In this video, we'll see how to take our CBTs as students. So this is a demo account. I'm going to log in as a student into a student's demo account. Once I log in with my details, of course, I'm taken to my account. And now, to see the CBTs available, I just need to scroll down to the bottom of the page and then click on my CBTs. Then it shows me all the CBTs that are available for me to take as a student. And then let's say I want to take this last one. I click on it. It opens a CBT for me. It tells me how many attempts I have used or how many attempts are remaining. You see, this is my first attempt of 2 attempts, which means I'm allowed to take this particular CBT 2 times. And this is the time that is given to me. And this is the subject. So to take it, I read through the instructions and then I click on start now. Now the CBT has started. You can see that the timer is counting down. You can see the time is reducing. From my 10 minutes I had, it is now reduced to 9 minutes 40-something seconds. So I can just answer my questions. I read through it and then I do my calculations. And then I select which I want to be my correct answer. Let's say I choose this. But if I don't want to answer this question, I don't know what to say about it, I can click on skip question, but I already picked an answer. When you click an answer, click on next. By doing that, it has submitted that first question, that has been recorded what you answered in the first question. The details have been kept. If you think you made a mistake, you can click on this back and go back to the first question, and then you re-answer this first question. But I think I did right, so I'll take the same option, move to the next question, and then for this one, I submit, and then I answer the question. And then I click on next to go to the next question. For this one, probably I do not know the answer. Of course, someone should be able to answer this, but let us assume I do not know the answer. I can decide to skip this question instead of wasting my time, which is counting down. I can decide to skip it. And once I skip it, I can decide to answer this one. I think it's clear. I click on next. You notice when you answer it, you will see the dot become blue. And if I move this to be my answer, it deselects this. So I can select this and go to next because I answered it. Then this one, let's say this is my answer. And now, because this is the last question, 5 of 5, the next thing is for me to submit this CBT. Once I click on submit, I am done for this CBT. And you can see my scores has been marked automatically. I think the one I failed is the one I skipped without answering. So this is how you take your CBTs. If I click on back, I'll go back to my dashboard. If I want to go to my CBTs again, I can go back to the list of my CBTs. And then I can decide to do another one. So this is how you take your CBTs as a student.